Hi guys, it's Ben here again from the Roof Restoration Warehouse, and I just wanted to make this quick video to talk to you about the safety requirements on every job and some of the safety systems we have in place. So there's actually 3 different safety systems on this particular roof. So come with me and we'll have a look. So, I think it was in 2020, the federal government changed the laws around safety and what the requirements are on every job. So now it is actually the building owner's responsibility to provide a safe workspace for any technicians working on their property. So that includes body corporates, big buildings in the city, high-rise apartments, and yes, it also includes your residential homes. So if you have a home anywhere in Australia, and you have people getting up there to clean the gutters, to check solar panels or install solar panels or fix the roof, it's your responsibility as the building owner to ensure that they are provided with a safe workspace. Now, when we started this particular project, the client wanted, you can see the roof is a little bit steeper than normal, and the client wanted access for people to be able to clean the gutters in the future, do maintenance on the timber work up here, do painting, change tiles, fix any problems on the roof. So the first system we installed was a fixed ladder system. Now these anchors, or a fixed anchor system I should say, these anchors are fixed permanently to the side of the hardwood rafters or the pine rafters, and they have a shock absorber built into the anchor. So they are fixed permanently and they get recertified every 12 months. Now, because I've got the safety rail up here, I can actually unclip on this now. But what I will do, I'll actually leave that anchored in. We also have over here a fixed ladder bracket, and that goes in under the tiles, and that's also a permanent fixture in the roof now. Look, it doesn't take up too much room, and it gives any future technician the option to secure their ladder firmly. It can't slip backwards, it can't slide side to side. It's a relatively cheap safety piece of kit, and it works really well, and we use them on all of our jobs. The next safety system we've got on this one is a rafter mounted temporary edge protection system. Now obviously on this particular project, we knew we were going to be here for a week or so. It's a live site, which means the family is still living in the house. They have children going to school every day. Mum and dad are coming to and fro from work. So we didn't want to obstruct their front door, and we didn't want to obstruct their double car garage. So across the front of the house, we put a rafter mounted railing system. This is just temporary fall edge protection. Again, we have fixed anchors in the roof, and this is just here so when we're taking down the rail later, our guys can be fixed securely to a rope and there's no potential of them falling over the edge. But then also around the back of this property, because it's nearly 6 meters from the ground to the gutter, a little bit too dangerous for edge protection or the rafter mounted edge protection. So we use the pole up safety rail system, and this in my mind is the best system on the market because it allows us to access the whole roof, and then we can take the whole system down. A lot of it can be done from the ground. We don't have to obstruct the roof. We can coat the whole roof. We can use it on tin roofs. We can use it on tile roofs. But also it's just a superior safety system than anything else out there. So it's really important that you are thinking about safety for your technicians, thinking about safety for your roof resto guys, and anything above 2 meters is considered high risk work. You can check all these facts on WorkSafe Australia or WorkSafe Victoria, and I'll also put a link to Understanding the Law, which is a page on my website. You can have a look at that and see what your requirements are by law to keep guys safe on your roof. And that's all I have to say about that. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. But otherwise, We just want to make sure that everyone comes to work safely and everyone goes home safely. So here at the Roof Restoration Warehouse, it's always safety first, it's always safety last, and it's always safety first and foremost. Thanks for watching. Bye. And we're starting another big job today out in Eltham. Nice terracotta with Picket Ridge. I've just got Alice over here putting in the fall arrest anchors so we can get the scaffold up safely and people can work up here safely in the future. Let's see how this one comes up. And there you have it. That's another job well done. We've just finished getting all the safety rail off this one here, stacked up over on the trailer. So I come up, have one last check. Everything looks good. The anchors are in the roof, you can't even see them. And also, just to satisfy the client, we gave his gable a nice coat of monument and vivid white, just so he doesn't have to have anyone coming up on the roof for quite a while. Picket Ridge came up really good, and we even put some additional weep holes in this flyer because we have water discharging off the gutter here, so the mortar is going to be getting quite a lot of punishment. But all in all, really happy with how this one came up. And that is how we rebed and point, pressure wash and reseal a terracotta roof.